Taking a look at my schematics, the total width of the project without the top is 12 inches. If I remove the face frame, that leaves me with 11 1/4 inches. I have a 1/4 inch back material. That leaves me at 11 inches. And then I have my top rear rail that is 3/4 of an inch thick, which leaves me with 10 1/4 inches. Because my existing piece is already to an oversized 21 inches, I'm not going to cut this piece to an oversized length because it already is an oversized length. However, I am not yet going to cut this down to 10 1/4 inches until after I run it through the planer, because short pieces through the planer oftentimes don't work very well. This piece, however, will yield me both 10 1/4 inch pieces with a little bit extra to spare.